I love this fire. I've got myself a nice big Crusader cup of tea, and I'm just gonna chill for 5 minutes. There's someone's phone. Gary's phone. So I've just put chicken, and I've sprinkled a load of Cajun seasoning on it. It's Cajun chicken tonight. Just slowly cooking that bad boy. We're going to build the fire up. As you can see, the sky is very grey, and looks like we're going to get a bit of rain, so we might be spit roasting a chicken in the rain. See, we knew it was going to rain, didn't we? Cooking chicken in the rain. We've got roast potatoes over there. Sit out to this shelter. And roast potatoes with some butter, and I'm just going to cook them in the oven on this side. I'm just hoping the rain doesn't wash the Cajun seasoning off my chicken. If it does, I'll just put some more on. And then I have vegetables and peas there. Yeah. Rain. We've got plenty of firewood dry. The rain's died off now, and our chicken is looking nice. The Cajun seasoning was sprinkled all over the outside. We're going to put some more on shortly, but yeah, it is looking really nice from the other side. I'll show you shortly. Roast potatoes in the oven, boiled Charlotte potatoes in the Swedish mess tin, and peas in the MSR pot. Yeah, still got plenty of water. Gary got this here for us for this trip. My holy tarp, I'm amazed, totally amazed. I mean, look at the amount of holes in it. There's one, there's two, there's two, three, another one, and 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 it is not letting water in yet. Oh, look, another one. Amazing. I've just got my normal sling set up. I'll put this off one side just because the rain was coming at an angle, so just put it off there to block it. Pretty awesome camp. There's our apple pie and custard. Oh yeah. Well, I didn't catch y'all before I went to bed last night because I just pretty much went to bed. I went to bed at like, what was it, Gary? 11:30 last night, and I woke up at like 11:30 today. 11:30. So I went to bed at 11:30 last night and woke up at 11:30 today. I've had one hell of a lie-in, and I feel pretty goddamn good. Gary was up well before me this morning, obviously. He's got the fire lit, the coffee made, I'm gonna get my socks and boots on. These hammocks are absolutely brilliant, like, just slept in my trousers and my noggy top. I'm still totally amazed that you can see the amount of holes in my tarp. It hasn't let in anything. We had a spot of rain last night too, Gary said, so yeah, it's still holding up. I'm going to patch that when I get home tomorrow, because this is a free nighter. So I've still got one more night and tomorrow, and we're going home tomorrow. I think I was mainly catching up on sleep from the Saturday, Sunday, and the lack of sleep I got then, so my body obviously needed it. I'm getting up in a second, God. Yeah, 12 hours sleep I've had. I don't even get that much sleep at home. I don't, because you've always got to be up for work or doing stuff and that. So it is nice. So I'm now up, dressed and sorted, boots on, and ready for a beautiful day in the woods. I'm still amazed at how quiet it is compared to my camp. I may lower my hammock down tonight too, just so that I can have a brew in my hammock without overstretching to get it off the floor. Gary's little shallow. So I've just managed to seize Gary's chair for 5 minutes, and I thought I'd just tell you about a little schoolboy error I made on the first night of this 3-nighter trip. On the first night, what I did is Gary told me there was mice around the camp, and there is around mine, and there is around any camp at this time of year. And so we always put our bags in the trees and that. And what I did is I put my bag onto a tree, but it was just out of my shelter, so it was totally exposed to all that bad rain we had. So my bag got soaked, like from the top to the bottom, right through. I didn't really have anything serious in it, just like a t-shirt and spare socks and stuff like that, which I'm drying out now. But yeah, and I turned around and I seen Gary put his Gore-Tex jacket over his, and I just didn't think about it at all. So yeah, bag's soaking still, and that's like a day and a half later. So I'm going to see if I can get it all hung out today to dry for travelling back tomorrow. But it's not a big deal. I had my first aid kit, that's a waterproof pouch. So everything else was in its own individual waterproof pouches, apart from my spare change of clothes. But I've just noticed Gary's got dry sacks over there. Are they resealed? Are they that dry sack there, Gary? Is that a dry sack, eh? Yeah. How much that cost you? Nice. You get bigger ones than that, though, too, eh? So definitely dry sacks for my rucksack. Yeah, that's the bigger one. Yeah, definitely getting dry sacks. No one told me about dry sacks. I knew about them, but it's just one of those things you never think you'll need because your rucksack's waterproof. But obviously, because my rucksack is like years old, it's lost its waterproof. So I might get some Gore-Tex respray on there and start resealing some of my shit for my next trips. Have our breakfast on the go. We're having sausage and rolls. Just there. Put all this together now so I can have a good seat and use the water as a backing. I really do not think he's getting out of here. I can't believe he painted it pink. Oh, there's a tree going. Fucking hell. Oh, he's gonna hit them trees. He's totally boxed himself in. Oh no. That is awesome. I didn't think he'd get out myself, like. I totally didn't think you'd get out of there. See ya. There's some. The fuck is that hanging off the bottom? No. See ya. Well, guys, that was the guy that owned the woodland. Came up for a coffee and that and a chat, see how we were. And nice bloke, and he's got some serious driving skills too. So I've got a whole gammon on, and I've got my chicken legs in the oven. I've got a water on for a brew. We've put up a frame too, so Gary can put his canvas shelter up next time he comes up. And so yeah, I'm in the midst of making tea. And Deborah's shelters, we've just pretty much left them up. Gary's going to use that one as a fridge. You know how hot my grill is. Oh yeah, putting some chops on the go. I like this brick system that Gary's got too. where you just set it on the side of the rocks and weigh it down with stones. I never thought of that either. And just using it over the past couple of days, it's been absolutely brilliant. What more could you want? You don't have to hold the griller out, and you don't have to prop them in the ash. I do like it. How awesome that gammon looks. Chicken legs. Oh damn, they look amazing. Got corn on the cob in there and vegetables in there. And I'm just sitting chilling here next to the biscuits. Just load the corner of my shelter for tonight because it was gathering rain last time, so just I'm going to put that inside my shelter too before I go to bed. Dee Dee's still going, still going. Ham, he's looking awesome. Oh, I'm so looking forward to this. Chicken legs are almost cooked too, the Cajun ones we're doing. Corn on the cob's boiling, vegetables are boiling. I'm going to plate up shortly. Got my little plates there. And then we have Cajun chicken legs, corn on the cob and vegetables. This is obscene. 4 chicken legs I've got. Corn on the cob, which I love. Carrots, I'm looking forward to this. All cooked on my campfire. And I still have our ham slow roast at the other side now. Just been turning it like really slowly. We're just chilling next to the fire now. I'm off to my hammock shortly and get some sleep for the morning because tomorrow we'll head back. And this is pretty much the end. Well, the last night. And I'm in my hammock and just about to go to sleep. Had some amazing food before bed. The ham was, oh, divine. Divine, totally. And the chicken legs too. Matter of fact, on the apple crumble and custard. I don't think I showed you guys that. We had apple pie and custard. Not apple pie, apple crumble. Yeah. So we'll catch you all in the morning. Well guys, it's a good morning again. This is our 3rd morning. And we've got to pack up and head home this morning. So yeah, absolutely amazing trip. I've loved being out of my woods and in someone else's for a change. And I've enjoyed cooking on someone else's fire pit. But now I'm going home to shave and shower. Gary's just taking his tarp down now. He's had everything else down. Just sitting watching for 5. Just made coffee. Morning coffee. I actually don't want to leave this place. I really don't. You can see our debris shelters over there. When I woke up this morning, I woke up and I actually came out to look at these because I thought it was a dream. That I actually finally got to make some debris shelters. Love it. And at night time when you walk through here, you cannot see these. You can't, not until you're right up on them. And even now it just looks like a mound of earth. Same with this little one here. It just looks like a random mound of earth in the woodland. Gary got his tarp down. Here's all my stuff packed up and ready to go. All sorted. Just my zebra canning over there to put in. Gloves, sweet. So we're all totally packed up now, and because I'm coming back here in like a day and a half for another 2 nights, I'm leaving some of my stuff in my debris shelter. So in that little one there pushed at the back, just like a zebra can and some water and our cooking stuff. So yeah, we've put our fire out with water. We're pretty much ready to go.